Hello, you all. I'm so happy to have joined TBC from the beginning. It has actually been a great journey so far for me, seeing us move from below 50,000 members, 100,000 members, to now over 2.7 million members and still growing. Well, that's great. See, guys, making money from TBC is actually easy. All you have to do is follow the Kringle Cash system. That's all. Here is my website, which I use in promoting TBC and bringing in new members into the community. I also have a Telegram channel and a Telegram group where I answer the questions about TBC, help people understand what TBC is all about, and get them to join the community. So feel free to visit my website to receive the 25,000 Kringle Cash gift if you have not done so. I'll drop the link below. And if you have any questions about TBC or you need any help, just click on this contact me button here and then you'll be able to reach me through any of these available options here. Okay, that's all for me for now. We'll talk to you all soon.